How to parlay on DraftKings. So I've just go search for this, and if we open up the first link, it's going to show us this. What are progressive parlays? So progressive parlays are similar to traditional parlays. You choose multiple selections for a single wager. However, progressive parlays provide a margin of error, as progressive parlay can still pay out in the event a selection within the progressive parlay settle as a loss. So here, what are the requirements for placing a progressive parlay? You must make a minimum of 3 selections to place a progressive parlay. You can make a maximum of 12 selections to place a parlay, and individual players cannot be selected more than once. You also can make a maximum of 3 selections from a single game, and bonus bets and promotional offers, with the exception of bets and gets, cannot be used to place progressive parlay. So how can we do it? So we want to log into our DraftKings account on your mobile device, and then you want to navigate to the NFL League page, the NBA League page, or the College Basketball League page. Then at the top of the page, we want to select progressive parlay in the menu bar. So at the top, you will have a menu right here in the top right corner or the top left corner, and then you will select progressive parlay. Make at least 3 selections to add your bet slip and enter the wager amount to place your bet. It's gonna look a little something like this here from the official website. You can see it, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.